नाउ केस 1 का बी, इंसिडेंट मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट इंफिनिटी. नाउ इंसिडेंट रेज आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर बट ऑब्लिक टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. Now I have to draw again the principal axis, and the same method you have to draw C. You have to mark C. From C 3 centimeter away it will be F, and after another 3 centimeter away it is P. So this one is C, this one is F, this one is P. Same arc length, 6 centimeter arc length. Draw the mirror. Now here we have to take a trick. Any ray which will pass through C, it will return back through the same path. Now let us suppose for our trick, just look here, this line of the scale is totally coinciding with the principal axis. That means your scale is perpendicular to this principal axis. Now just put a mark over here, put a point just below F. It is your image. Give the name A dash. Now join A dash with C. Okay, this ray is coming from infinity and it is passing through C. Now after reflection it will bounce back through the same path. Okay, now another ray which is parallel to this ray but oblique to principal axis. Let us try another ray which is passing through F. The image is here, so let us take another point here. Now draw the line in such a way that the ray is passing through F and incident at this point. This is the point of incidence. Now after reflection, any ray which is passing through F, after reflection it will pass parallel to the principal axis. That's why we have already marked this one at first. Now draw the image. This is inverted image. A dash, B dash. Mark it. F and B dash is the same point. Okay. So image position at F but at focal plane, not at focal point. Nature of image, real, naturally inverted and highly diminished, but not point sized. Not point sized. Okay.